Let's check out this Birdfy Hummingbird feeder. It's a smart dual camera hummingbird feeder. So this one's pretty neat. It's going to be able to take pictures of the hummingbird as they're feeding, but also from the side, and that's pretty neat. I also like the design of this one. So let's open it up. This is the box that it ships in, and I'm opening it up for the first time here. Looks like we have a manual. It's pretty nice, and a get started guide at the top here. Some part. We open it up. We've got a silicone part. Looks like all the sub compartments have their own little box. That's nice. A brush. Definitely useful. Then we're gonna have sugar solution in there. And this looks like it's labeled. So we've got the perch that the birds can set on, and then we've got some hooks for. And we got the seal. Charging port. Oh, great. This is the solar panel for it, so that it doesn't need batteries. It looks like in this box we also have the mounting and stuff. And we'll pull out this piece of cardboard. I like that there's not a lot of plastic packaging with this. It's mostly just a couple of pieces of cardboard. How cool is this? This is much different than the other smart bird feeders I've used. So we've got a camera here. Peel that off. We've got a camera here. We'll peel that off. Very nice. Oh, look at that. So this is going to be a lot easier to fill and clean than the other ones I've had. So it attaches to the top here to hang. Then you can fill it here. Put this on, twist, turn it back over. You've got the 3 flowers here that look like they remove. It looks like you can unlock the bottom for cleaning probably. And then it looks like you can move this camera. And this is going to be a wide angle shot of the birds that come up to feed from the side. And then this is the antenna. How cool is that? There's a rubber access port here in the back for the USB connection to the solar. So I'm really looking forward to hanging this and getting some great migrating hummingbirds this year. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.